We'll be discussing about the resistor, what is resistor and what does it mean by the resistance. First of all, resistor is a device which is used to stop the flow of charges in order to maintain the proper flow of current. Just suppose that you have a bulb of 100 volt. Now, the electric current through the battery is of 220 volt. So how you manage to stop the excess current? Now for that, resistor is used. Resistor is basically a device that is used to control, or we can say that maintain the flow of current. So let's talk about the resistor's resistance. Resistor, as you know, is a device to stop the flow of current. So the resistivity of the resistance is measured in ohms. How? This resistance definition is derived from the Ohm's law, that is based on the electric current as well as the potential difference. So here we know that the Ohm's law states that I is equal to VR, where I is the electric current, V is the potential difference of that, and R is for resistance, that is needed as the constant. Now we know that here I is directly proportional to V. If the electric current increases, the potential difference or work done by the potential also increases. But if the resistance is between that, or we can say that if the resistance control that, so it will be an easy way to control and to avoid the damages. So here, where I is directly proportional to V, we insert the constant that is R. So it becomes VR. So here we know that electric current is measured in volts. The potential difference is measured in amperes. And volt per ampere is equal to a Greek word known as sigma. And it is written like this. That is called ohm. And that's all about the resistor.